everybody, my name is Nick. Welcome to Angeloni Video Tutorials. Today we will discuss a little bit about Command Prompt versus Windows interface. Why? Because a lot of users, young people, can't realize how come to do commands, how to deal with an operating system just writing text. It's unbelievable. No, I need to have interface, right click, double click, open a folder and stuff like that. But if you want to be a system administrator, for example network administrator, or CI/CD in cloud, for example the DevOps, you really need to know also about what is a command prompt, what is a CLI, command line interface. I mean, into a line of text. Basically, this kind of commands is just a simple interface like MS-DOS in the past, you know. MS-DOS in the past have something like a black background and white text. That's it, nothing else. In our case, we will have the same black background and white interface for command prompt, and of course Windows interface have entire friendly interface of Windows. Why I do all this in this video tutorial? Because I want to prove to people you can do it in both ways. You can do it also using events in Windows, like right click or you know, click or double click to open. In this case you can do the same things also in command prompt, and you need to see similarities between these, because for an operating system, even if it's Windows or will be Linux or other kind of operating system, have also this kind of interface. Okay, so for people who want to know more about operating systems, you have other video tutorials about operating systems. So for the moment we will change everything in this. You can see here we have something like this. In this area, left side of the screen, I have nothing. I have just desktop from Windows. In the right part of the screen, I have that interface from CMD, from Command Line Interface, CLI. I mean, I have that white text, black background, and nothing else. What I will do, basically I will put here commands and you will see the results in Windows. I will do something in Windows and after that you will see the results in this type of interface, because I want to show you similarities and to understand why in the future, if you want to be system administrator, for example, you need also to know stuff like that. And of course, more than this, if you want to go, you can go in PowerShell and have more and more commands to do there. There you can apply scripts, entire scripts for what's going on, you know, to have an automation in your settings. When you apply settings on a machine, on a computer, you can do it writing scripts, and that script runs and do automatically everything for you. It's not necessary you to stay step by step manually to do it. But in this case I will show you a couple of things manually, I mean step by step, to show you why it's necessary in both cases. I put it everything in I'm basically on desktop. In my case, I'm in C users test desktop, meaning C is my drive, you know. Users, it's a folder, a test, it's another folder. By the way, in this kind of thing here in this area in commands, is like in MS-DOS, the name is directory. Okay, directory in the folder is the same. Directly was in MS-DOS, you know, folder it's in Windows when you create a folder, you know, but it's also assimilated as a directory. Okay, so in this case I have users, under users I have test, inside of test I have desktop. Basically, to be in this path, to be here, I need to be in this path in the other side of IT, to say like that. Okay, so what I will have here, I will try to create a directory, a folder. So I will say md make directory test. Okay, and you will see miracle, test appear here. Now I want to go here in this folder directory, just double click and open this folder, and I will put it in this area. Basically, I'm inside. How I will be here inside in this folder? Very easy. CD, change directory, test, and I'm inside. The same thing like in visual part. Okay, now I will do another directory here, test2, to understand. And look, test2 is here. Now let's enter also in test2 here. I will do again cd test2. Perfect for the moment, but what I need to do now, I want to create by Visual Arts, to say like that, to create using Windows interface. So I will do new folder, and here I will say test3. In this case, if you will use here 3, you will see you have test3. If you delete test3, you will see using command 3 means like a tree, you know. That's why is this command that shows you in this structure you don't have nothing. So I am in test2. Let's go to create another folder, md, make a directory, test 111 for the moment, and 111 appear. Let's create another 112. 112 appear. 113. 113 appear. Perfect. Now if you check the tree command to show you that structure as a tree, you can see I have test 111, test 112, test 113. Perfect. Let's delete 113 and do the tree again. Test 111, test 112. So this is in general what you want to work. This is our differences and also what is similar between Windows part, but in Windows it's very easy. Let's do 114 for example, test 114, test I don't know, test 115, some folders, you know, test 116. So I have some of them. CLS means clear screen, okay, and 3 again. Look, all 111, 112, 113, all are there. If I will delete almost everything and I will do 3 again here, I will have just one thing. If I will go CD on test and I go CD to exit from to the higher level, now I am equivalent of desktop here, and if I will have a tree in desktop, I will see test 2, test 111. Basically I have entire thing exactly like I saw already, opening folders in visual part, I mean in with Windows interface. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope everything was quite nice to understand this feature, or to say like that, to understand all this information about how to use in both ways interfaces. Why I did also this, because again, a lot of people, young people, don't understand it. They don't know about Microsoft Disk Operating System, MS-DOS. How come was an operating system who basically didn't have a beautiful interface, had just a poor interface, like a command line. So yes, based on that, command line exists also here. So you saw the differences and also the similarities, I mean similar parts between these, how to do it, how to deal with that. Till next time, see you, bye.